this video I'm going to show you how to make a terrarium for free. All you need is a container. Glass or plastic jar, as long as it holds dirt and you can see through it, you're good. So let's go outside and collect some materials. I'll meet you out there. What's up, Earthlings? Welcome to K Breezy Nature. I'm K Breezy. This is nature. I'm out here collecting materials for a terrarium. Got my container right here. It's a cheap little stairlight container. And here's some moss. Every good terrarium starts with moss. This is a cool looking plant. Let's get this one. All you gotta do is hold it by the base, kind of just dig up the root the best you can, kind of like so. I like how the leaves look on this guy, so I'm gonna try and get him out. Oh, there's more than one. Again, grab the base. I didn't get that one. Grab the base, just pull the root out. Just like that. Let's see if we can get one more. Perfect. You want to get a variety of like leaf shapes and stuff. You don't want them all to look the same. You want to mix up the texture a little bit if you can. I also found these cool clovers. I dug some of these out and put them in there. Kind of match my tattoo. The leaves are also edible. Tastes kind of like citrusy almost. It's really good. Survival tips. This one. And two. You also want some hardscape, just some decorative items like rocks and sticks and stuff. I found this cool little walnut, a couple pine cones, big ones, a couple smaller ones, and some pine needles that are just various shapes and sizes. Thought they would look nice. You can get cool looking sticks, you can get rocks. Just anything that's not going to actually grow in there, just to really decorate it and make it look like a natural setting that's like something you'd see in the forest. If you want, you can even put bugs in there that you find outside while you're looking for plants. Kind of like this little garden snail that I'm going to put in there. He's pretty cool looking. I'm going to name him Gary. Gary the snail, because that's how original I am. Here's another one. So, we got our plants, we got our moss and our decorations and stuff. We even got some live stuff to throw in there. We got our container. It's already got a layer of rock on the bottom and then dirt. I already had this on hand. This is an old terrarium I made. So if you don't have this stuff laying around the house, you can just grab gravel from outside and then dig up your own dirt outside and it'll still be free. And I'm sure you have a container or something at home. All of this I literally just got from outside. You don't even necessarily need a rock layer, but it does help with the excess water, if there's excess water in the terrarium, so it is recommended, but you don't necessarily need it. You literally just throw a layer of rocks in there, maybe like an inch or two, doesn't need to be super deep. Cover that with a mesh or a net or something like that, and then throw the dirt on top of it.